So what is find function and how to use this find function? So find function we will get in the text category. Here you can see the find function. So what is find function? Find function returns the starting position of one text string within another text string. Find is case sensitive, and here we have three arguments. First is find text, number two within text, and then start number. So what is find text? Find text is the text you want to find. Use double quotes to match the first character within the text and wildcard characters not allowed. That means suppose here we have the text Shaha computer and what we want to find is letter C. So here you have to type within quotation C. You have to remember that these characters are case sensitive. If you type capital C, it will find the capital C. If you use small c, then it will find the small c. So within text, it is the text containing the text that you want to find. That means it is the text where you find this C, that is this one, comma, sorry, then starting number. So now we will not use the starting number because it is an optional. So here you can see we got the result 6. That means C is in the 6th position. Here you can see SAHA 4 space 5 and C in the 6th position. But here if you type small letter C, here is no result because in this text string we do not have any small letter C. And if I select this cell, then you will see we have, you can see here in the 4th position we have small letter C, and here now if I type capital C, the result is 11 because it is, this is capital C and it is in 11th position. Now starting number. So if I put this starting number here, suppose it is in 11th position, if I put 12 here, it will read after 12. So this is 11 and this is 12. So after 12 it will find. So there is no capital C after 11, that is from 12th character. So it is returning blank. So if I type here small letter E, you can see it is returning 12. So this is 11th position, this is 12th position. If I type here 13, then it shows 16 because it start reading the text from this 13th position, and this is 13th, 14th, 15th, and last E is in 16th position. So in this way find function works. And if you want to use a wildcard, just delete this one, and if I type here suppose capital C star then N, you can see here we do not get any result because find function do not allow any wild character. But in the search function you can use the wild characters. So the difference between search function and find function is you cannot use wildcard in find, but you can use in search. Here in find function it is case sensitive, but search is not case sensitive. So let's see with different examples. So here type equal to find. So what will be the finding text? So we will find capital C, quotation close, comma, within text this cell, then bracket close and enter. We got it is a 6th position. But here if I type equal to find text is capital C, comma, within text this cell, comma, starting number 7. That means it will read after the 6th position. That means it will read from 7th position, bracket close and enter. It is giving error value because from the 7th position there is no capital C. And here type find, then type small c, comma, select this cell and bracket close and enter. We got here 4th position. But if I type here capital C, you can see the result changes to 11th position. So that is why we can understand this find function is case sensitive. Whenever we use small letter c, this gives us the position of small c, and if I give capital C, then it gives the position of the capital C. In this way, type here find, then we will find here space, comma, this cell, comma, starting position 1. It will read from the first letter. So first space is in 9th position. If I type here 10, then the second position is 15. Now here, if I find capital W equal to find capital W, comma, this cell, bracket close and enter, it gives error. So in this way, you have to find the text. If you want to find any number, then equal to find, suppose you want to find 8. So put this 8 within quotation, comma, this cell, bracket close and enter. It is in 5th position. But if you type here find within quotation 8, comma, this cell, comma, position is 6. So next 8 is in 8th position. So if we want to find the word from a text, so how can we find? So here, if we type equal to find, then we will find India, comma, within text, this cell, bracket close and enter. So India is in 9th position. That is, the first letter is I. So I is in 9th position. Now, if I drag it down, you can see it gives us the result. Here we are getting error value because there is no India in this text. Now, if I change the I from capital to small, then you can see it is giving error because we do not have any word for India starting with small letter I. That's why it is giving error. Control Z. Now if we want to remove this error, we can use if error with find. If error, then go to end, comma, double quote, bracket close, enter. Now drag this. Now the error is gone. Or you can type here within the quote not found, enter, and drag this till the end. You can get the result in this way. So now we will see the third example. Here we can see we have some names and we want to extract the first name, middle name and the last name. So we will take help of the find function. So let's see, equal to left, select this cell as text, comma, number of characters. So how many characters we want? So for this name we have 5 characters for first name. So type here 5 and bracket close, enter. So we got the first name. But as we drag down, we can see this answer is incorrect, this answer is incorrect, this is also incorrect because here it is Ranjit, here T is absent, here Li is absent, here H is absent. So we cannot make this number of character fixed. We have to make it dynamic. So for that we have to use find function. So type here find. So what we want to find? So we all know after each first name we have a space. So we want to find this space. So within double quote space, comma, within text this cell, then bracket close, then enter. So we got the first name. But here is also one problem. So if we want to check the length of this text, bracket close, enter, it is 6. But we have 5 letter for the first name. So here we have to do -1. Now you can see we have 5 letters. So drag it down. Okay. Now we want to fetch the middle name. So for that we have to use mid function and search equal to mid. So our text will be this cell, comma, starting number. So starting number will be after space. So after space, here we have the last name, here we have the middle name. So this is a bit confusing. Let's see. So first we will take example of this cell. So here we have to use start number, find space, comma, within text this cell, comma, starting number. Sorry, we don't need to use starting number. So we got this start number here. You can see, press F9, 6th position. Okay. Then comma, number of character. So number of character will be the second space minus first space. So how to get the second space position? So type here find text equal to space, comma, within text this cell, comma, starting number. So starting number should be after the first space. So how to get the first space? We have learned previously. Find space, comma, within text this cell, comma, sorry, don't need comma, bracket close. So here we got the position of first space and +1. Now press F9, so it will check from the 7th position. This is 6th, this is 7th position. So bracket close minus the position of first space. So find space, comma, this text, bracket close. Then bracket close for mid. Now press enter. We got here error. Now drag this. So here we got Kumar, but here we have a space. You can see here also we have a space. So our starting position should be here start number. Here we have to use +1. Press enter. Okay, now it's okay. So here to remove this error, if error, then go to end, double quote, comma, double quote, bracket close, enter. So this cell do not have the middle name. Now we will find out the last name. But here is a problem. Some name has the middle name and some name do not have middle name. So how to find this? If I use the mid function in this way, then we will get the middle name, not the last name. So we have to find if there is 2 space, then one formula, then if there is 1 space, then there is other formula. So here let's check equal to if len bracket open this cell minus len, then we will remove this space from this text with the help of substitute. Substitute text is this one, comma, old text is space, comma, new text is blank. Then bracket close for length, equal to 2, then A, otherwise B, bracket close, enter. So we got here B, and if I drag down the formula, we can see here A. So in this way, we have to now remove this A and B with the help of formula. So for B, we have to use we have to remove the quotation, bracket open. So find text will be space, comma, within text this one, that is E3 bracket close plus 1. So here we will get the position of the first letter for the last name. Now how many characters? So here we have to find the length of this text minus the length up to space. So here first we have to use mid function, then this will be the text, comma, this is the starting number, comma, number of characters. So number of characters will be len this cell minus find bracket open, find text is space, comma, within text this cell, then bracket close, enter. So here we got Shaha, but for this case we got A. For this three word name, this is also 3-word name. All these are done. Now for this one, we have to remove this value with one formula. So here also you have to start with mid, or you may use right. So select this cell, comma, starting number. So starting number should be the second space plus 1. So find space, comma, within text this cell, comma, starting number. So starting number should be after the first space. So to get the first space, find, then space, comma, text is this one, bracket close plus 1. So we got this starting number, then bracket close for find, then comma, number of characters. How many characters we need? We need up to the last of the text string, that is total length minus the second space. So here len this cell minus find, or you may copy this for this one, copy it and paste it here. Now press enter. Okay, let's see logical test, this one. So here we have to put another bracket. Now enter. Now drag this. So here we have one mistake. So number of character is, there is mistake for number of characters. Here len, oh sorry, okay, we have taken 2 cells. So here it should be E4. Okay, we got it, but here is one space. So starting number should be plus 1. So here mid text starting number. So here we have to put plus 1. Now drag this. So we got the last name. So in this way you can find the last name. Now we will understand the fourth example. That is, we will find the first position of the dash, second position of the dash, and the third position of the dash. So here equal to find, within quotation, dash, comma, within text this cell, comma, starting number, you can put 1 or you can keep it as blank, bracket close, enter. So we got the first position of dash. So all are 4. Now the second position. So equal to find dash, comma, within text this cell, comma, starting number. So here starting number should be after 4, that is from 5. So here in the start num, we have to use this formula here. So type here find dash comma within text this cell bracket close plus 1, because this value will give us 4. You can press F9, I can see 4, but we have to check it from 5. That's why we have given here plus 1. Then bracket close, enter. So it is in 8th position. So all are in 8th position. So if I change here, suppose if I type here one letter, it is now in 9th position. Now we will find the 3rd position of the dash. So again, the same way we have to do here. So equal to find dash comma within text E13 comma starting number should be after 8. So how to get the 8th position? So here we have used the formula. The same formula should be used here. So find within quotation dash comma within text E13 comma starting number should be again find dash comma within text E13, then bracket close plus 1 bracket close plus 1. So this plus 1 is for this find and this plus 1 for the second position. This is the first position, this is the second position plus 1. The second position is 8 plus 1 9. It will check from the 9th position. So bracket close, enter. So it is giving error value. Now if I drag it down, you can see it is giving 13th position. It is also giving 13th position. You can see here 3, 4 plus 4, 8, 9 plus 3, 12, and this is 13. So this is giving error because here we do not have the 3rd dash. That's why it is giving error. You can remove this error with if error, go to end, comma, double quote, bracket close and enter. Now if I type here S, you can see it is in 14th position now. So in this way you can get the position of any text or any word with the help of search function. And we have to remember this search function is case sensitive and we cannot use any wildcard in this find function. If we want to find any character and we don't want it to be case sensitive, then we have to use the search function. In the same way, if we want to use wildcard, we have to use search function instead of find function. So in this way, the find function works. So I hope you have understood this tutorial, but still if you have any problem regarding this tutorial, you can write me in the comment section. I will surely solve your problem. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. And do not forget to subscribe our channel so that you don't miss any notification and updates from our channel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. See you soon in the next tutorial.